So guys, I'm gonna go bother my grandma and I'm gonna ask her a bunch of questions, and the video might be in Chinese and I might translate the little things on the bottom so you guys can understand it. So let's go. I don't know how successful this will be, but I'm gonna try. I'm sorry the lighting is bad because it's dark and I can't afford lighting. So So I don't know what to ask my grandma right now. So so I'm gonna show her a couple of pictures and we're gonna see how she reacts to my friends. Let's look for one picture. Let's look for a picture of Tika. Pa, pa, pa. Hi, Kogwa, Shuya. Kulan Nuima. Kulan Nuima. Hi, Leah.
Leah. Wow, mình chắc cái cầu sợ.
Khoai có làm tới là nuôi đây à?
Nuôi đây. Chìa sủi.
Anh Lịch à?
Đi xuống. Anh về. Chìa sủi.
Okay, that was funny as hell. Okay, let's put a picture of my cousin. This picture right here. Cô qua suối à?
Chìa sủi.
Hai lô à?
Khôi cơ.
Hai lô à?
Này, đi cái xíu.
Cô qua suối à? A picture of my brother, guys.
Say.
Anh Lịch à? Anh Lịch à? She doesn't believe that this is my brother. Grandma, can you stop talking? I'm trying to film a video. Kogo Shuya. Of course she knows this one's my brother, a girlier version of him. I'm gonna show her a picture of herself and see if she recognizes herself. So yeah, Kogo Shuya. She said she didn't know who that was.